So this thought was just occurring to me in the morning today, that I wonder how these film stars do it. Yeah, see, like uh, as just some random person, like me being a random person who's not very many people watch my videos. Still, I am like quite. I almost get tensed that the video that I put up upload should look nice, and I'm speaking sense, I'm looking intelligent and what all. But so some of these top film stars have to take up roles and scripts and dress in all kinds of outfits and put themselves all out there and promote that particular movie or TV series or whatever. So how do they do it? Yeah, for me these 1 minute videos only, I'm like, no, my god, it's not up to the mark, I'm going to delete it. And finally the videos that make it also, according to so many, they are totally not up to the mark, but I'm doing it because it makes me happy. Okay, so enough gyan. So yesterday, like in fact, this book I began reading yesterday itself. It's called Paulo Coelho's 11 Minutes, and 11 Minutes is all about this Brazilian, this young Brazilian girl who gets spotted by this, by the owner of a club in Switzerland, like a dancing club. So he, with her parents' permission and all, he takes her to Switzerland, and where she begins with this whole dance routine. And then in the process, you can imagine, right? Basically, it's about how she turns to the flesh trade, so. But overall the book is, it's very, I don't know, yeah, very insightful. The story has been written in the first person, from the point of view of the main character, the protagonist, and Maria, her name is. So it'll any of Paulo Coelho's books are very thought provoking. They really make you think. And it's already crossed a 2 minute video, so I will not bug you all more. But really, people, Paulo Coelho's 11 minutes it is. I'll try and give a detailed review in some other video perhaps, but this is the basic gist of it. Because either way, you cannot like explain a 275 page book in a less than 2 minute video, in a 2 minute 30-second video. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.